Welcome, today we're going to show you how to build a thumbnail using CapCut. So it's actually a very easy method. So let's start by opening a new project. So you can import any video as you from here, like this video from CapCut itself. After that you can actually click on cover. So from here you can click on edit, and now you can actually make a new cover or thumbnail using CapCut. So now from here you can just choose any design for the thumbnail that you actually like. You can just delete whatever you want. As you from here, you can actually manipulate the sizes and the styles of each text as you from here. Also, you can choose any other design that you like. You can actually just manipulate the size of this arrow. You can just change how it looks like. So if you want to actually change the color of the arrow, I'll see from here, it will change. So now all you need to do to finish this thumbnail is to click on save. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.